right, welcome to digitizing your paintings and mastering background removal in Affinity Designer on your iPad. I'm Katie from Perch Handmade, and I can't wait to dive in with you today. We are going to be going over learning how to scan your art or snap pictures of your art to get the best lighting. Also, with scanning your art and being able to scan it in properly. And then we are also going to go over prepping your artwork in an editing app. I like to use Lightroom. It's from Adobe, and you can use it for free and still have a good set of actions that you can use within the free portion of it. Then you can, if you don't have that, you can definitely just use your phone and edit that way. We are also going to be popping into pixel persona in Affinity Designer and using our smart selection brush to remove your backgrounds today, and I'll show you how to do that. And then I have two different paintings that I made for you guys that you get to use and practice on today. So you don't have to have a piece of artwork ready or handy, although of course you can use your own artwork. But I've shared two for, your personal use, and we can have fun with that and go over that together. And we were going to work on refining your edges, and there's one that I painted all in black, but we're going to use the Recolor Tool, and by painting in black with the Recolor Tool, you can pick up all those shadows that come with your painting and change the color to whatever color you want. So it's really fun, and I'll show you how to do that. And finally, we are going to put your design onto a mockup. I've shared the mockup with you in your downloads, but you can also find it in the Affinity Designer app in the stock photos. There's two different types of stock photo companies on Affinity Designer, and this one is through the Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S. If you are unfamiliar with this, I do have other classes that you can take to figure that out. Just pop in to my website and look for my other Affinity Designer apps or classes so that you can learn a little bit more on how to work your canvas. If you need to learn touch gestures, you can go to my YouTube page and my website and download my free guide for 30 plus touch gestures in Affinity Designer. Say that a few times fast. Anyway, so sit back, relax. We are going to have a great time.